How to get more FPS on Valorant in 2025. So to maximize FPS in Valorant, you need to focus on optimizing your settings, managing your background processes, and potentially upgrading your PC. So let's get started. For in-game settings, you might want to reduce the resolution. So lowering the resolution to the lowest available option can drastically increase the FPS. And for the graphics settings, you can reduce all the graphics settings to low or off, which is the material quality, the texture quality, the detail quality, the UI quality, and many more, which will significantly boost your performance. Now, you also want to disable the VSync to reduce the input lag and improve FPS. And for anti-aliasing, you can turn off that as well for a noticeable FPS increase. And you want to set the filter to 1 times for a balance between visual clarity and FVX. And for if you have an NVIDIA, then you need to enable NVIDIA Reflex with on plus boost for reduced latency and increased FPS. And you can also set the cache to unlimited. And for the texture filtering, you can set the anisotropic filtering to off, negative LOD to allow, and the quality to high performance. Now for background process, you might want to close your tabs if you're playing Valorant. If your PC is not that good and if you have low amount of GB of RAM, you might want to close like these apps itself and then just have Valorant open. And for compatibility, you might want to disable some background applications like closing them using your task manager. And then if you really laggy, then you might want to upgrade your PC. So you might want to try a different build. And that's how you can basically increase and get more FPS in Valorant.